In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 new features which are soon coming to WhatsApp. So WhatsApp comes out with updates and features really often, but I'm going to keep this short and only show you 5 of the most important ones. So most of these features are already available for beta testers, but in the next few weeks or maybe a couple of months, it'll definitely be out for everyone. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into it. So the first feature is an increased time to delete a message. So many people have been waiting for this and I'm definitely a fan of it. So WhatsApp just tweeted this today that now you'll have a little over 2 days to delete your messages from your chats after you hit send. And this is quite a big update because before this, you only had 1 hour to delete a message, but now you have more than 2 days. So WhatsApp has just saved us from that awkward situation when you want to delete a message, but it's been over an hour and you're just stuck. So being a beta tester, I've already got this feature, so I'll quickly show you how it works. So now I've come to this chat and I'll try to delete this message that I sent yesterday. So as you can see, the message on top, which says class, has been sent yesterday at 11:04 p.m. And now let's see if I can delete it. So I'll just long press, click on delete, and as you can see, I can delete it for everyone. And now it's gone. The second feature is an interesting one, and it's to hide your online status. So as you can see, WhatsApp officially released this statement a few hours back, and here they've said that they're introducing the ability to select who can and can't see when you're online. So this is going to be similar to last scene, where you can decide if you want everyone to see whether you're online, some people, or no one to see. The next feature is an unread chat filter. So if you go to the filter and you select unread, then you'll be able to see all of the chats which you haven't opened. So I have this on the beta version, so I'll quickly show you how it works. So when you open WhatsApp and click on search on the top, then over here, along with photos, videos, you'll see a new option which is unread. And now as you can see, all of my unread chats have come here. Now the fourth feature is to leave groups silently. And here they've said that instead of notifying the full group when leaving, only the admins will be notified. So it'll look something like this. And again, I feel that this is a feature which a lot of us will use when we're added to a group which we want to leave, but we can't because then everyone else will know. Now, the last feature for today, and that's admin delete. So this feature allows admins of a group to delete any message in the group. So up till now, the admins could essentially only add people or remove them, but now they have more power in moderating the chat by deleting any messages that they want. And here's an example of how it'll look. So these are basically the top 5 upcoming WhatsApp features, and if you want to know how to read deleted messages, then click on this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.